Okay, so now we're going into the red. You grab a little bit of the orange with it. And basically, right at this point, you can decide if you want to go all the way around the cake and just have red, or if you want to start over again and do the exact same thing on the other side, and then they would just meet, the two reds would meet. So that when you turn the cake around, you see this same thing again. Yeah, just got to decide what you want to do with that. Okay, and then same over here, some reds. Start getting that red in. Alcohol. Try to blend it. And when you do this with the glass, you'll get a glass that's the orange, glass that's kind of a mix, and then the glass that's the red. And so that's where your lines will be. You'll have lead lines between them, unless you're actually painting your glass, the way they used to do real stained glass. They actually stained it. Okay, so we can see that we are getting more complete here. Looks like I missed one holly there. Other than that, we did okay. A little red on the bottom. Okay. So now what you want to do is go in and fill in this base already. Do that with bright red. Oops, got out of the line there a little bit. That's okay, we'll clean that up. The black line will hide the connection there. That'll be fine, that'll be fine. I need to fix that one that I missed. Okay, and then we have a couple flowers here. Okay, so now I'm working on the poinsettias. I'm adding just a little bit of white to my red, like I did with the other flowers, and painting them. And then we'll do yellow dots in the center for the centers of my poinsettias. We get, again, that swirly streaky glass is what it is, streaky. Okay, so there's a few spots I missed with the orange that we can fill in really easily. Sorry, I tilted that because I had to see it. Okay, and then we want the yellow spots. So a little more yellow. Ugh. So I'm just dipping the back of the brush in it and dotting it. You can't really see it too well. I may end up having to add white to that because you can't really see those. Add a little white to it so you can see it a little bit better. And then basically, so I'm just going to finish filling in the bottom a little bit. Now the bottom base will probably have to be, I don't know, something even darker. It'll be dark, getting dark down to dark something. I want to show you the top. Here I've already started with the lines. Okay, and you can see that it continues on. What I want to do is I want to attach this top and then fill in this part up here. So this top is just a dummy. It's just a little 4-inch cake. I don't normally make real 4-inch cakes because they're tiny, small. So what I'm going to do is just attach this, a little bit of frosting.